Color guard, attention. Forward march. Color guard, halt. Color guard, prepare to post the colors. Post the colors. And please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. Scout salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. 2. Scout sign. Scout. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country and to obey the Scout law, to help other people at all times, to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. Scout law. The Scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent. Outdoor man. As an American, I will do my best to be clean and outdoor manners, to be careful with fire, to be considerate in the outdoors, and be conservation minded. 2. Color guard uniform. About face. Forward march. Color guard halts. Color guard dismiss. Audience attendance.
Greetings. I'm Steve Gassel, President of the Ozark Trails Council Board, and I hope all of you and your families are staying healthy and doing well during this very challenging time. I would like to take a couple of minutes to talk about the current state of scouting in our council. For 110 years, the Boy Scouts of America have provided leadership and outdoor skills training to millions of youth. During this time, the program has survived the Great Flu pandemic, 2 world wars, the Great Depression, and many other global and national challenges. Today, COVID-19 represents our current challenge. While it has caused all of our communities to limit the ability for groups to gather, it hasn't stopped the desire to scout on from our council staff and countless adult leaders. I want to share a few examples of the great work being done in our council during this unprecedented time. During the month of April, Scout leaders created virtual meetings to allow Scouts to come together, yet scout apart. This included Eagle Border reviews. The Council's Blazing Trails District hosted a virtual merit badge university, offering 15 merit badges to over 325 Scouts who represented more than 28 states across the country. PACs like PAC 149 in the River Trails District had fun coming together virtually to camp out and to continue working on their advancements. The Council's COVID 4-Point Challenge program included Scouts from 35 states, participating in a Council-created program which focused on keeping yourselves and others safe during the pandemic. The Council also hosted more than 10 virtual merit badges to keep Scouts on track towards the rank of Eagle. We know a Scout is helpful, friendly, courteous, and kind. Knowing these are guiding principles, our council donated over 32,000 gloves and over $5,000 in popcorn to area hospitals, reminding all of us that the 12 points of the Scout Law perhaps matter most during times of crisis when our communities need us most. We also know a Scout is trustworthy, loyal, and brave, so Scouts respond when needed. 2 Eagle brothers from our council, one a doctor, the other an ER nurse, are fighting the pandemic on the front lines in the same New York hospital, reminding all of us how Eagle Scouts step up when needed most. So why do we scout? We scout to make sure that boys and girls, both today and beyond, will continue to have the premier youth development program shape them to be trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent. I want you all to know that we are in this together, and I want to thank all of you for continuing to scout on.
Why do I scout? Because I know what scouting provided for me. Growing up as an only child, during my teenage years, I had a lot of time on my hands. My mom was a single mom who worked full-time, and scouting provided an outlet for me that taught me new skills, gave me opportunities and experiences I never would have had otherwise, and allowed me to make a lot of friends. Additionally, I had some scoutmasters who really mentored me, believed in me, and pushed me to go harder and further than I would have otherwise. So why do I scout? I scout to give back. And it's a heck of a lot of fun.
Hi, I'm Governor Mike Parson. I want to say how proud I am of the Scouts from the Ozark Trails Council. I've been told that despite the challenging we faced through the COVID-19 pandemic, Scouts have been hard at work following the Scout Oath and helping other people at all times. Scouts upheld the responsibility of helping others, even for people they may never see, may never talk to, and may never meet. These skills are needed to become a true leader, and are skills of high value when learned while young. Whether it was donating much needed PPE to healthcare workers, calling or writing letters to citizens in our long-term care facilities, or making masks for families, the Scouts of the Ozark Trails Council truly embodied what it means to follow the Scout Oath. Thank you for the positive impact you have had on our community in Southwest Missouri. God bless you, God bless Missouri, and God bless the United States of America.
I know of no other program when young boys and girls enter and then emerge as young men and women with the knowledge and skills of scouting. They obtain life skills that you might expect would be fishing and hunting and camping, but they also get things like first aid and citizenship and learning how our government works, things that will last them an entire lifetime. All Scouts are exposed to and encouraged to lead. In fact, in their rank advancement, they're required to have leadership in each one of their ranks. They're exposed to over 120 merit badges, from nuclear science to botany. But the real value of scouting are scouting's values: duty to God and country, helping other people at all times, keeping yourself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. The 13 points of the Scout Law. My name is Bob Hammerschmidt. I'm past president of the Ozark Trails Council, and I raised 3 Eagle Scout sons, and I'm so proud of them. And each one of them have told me, now that their scouting is over, how valuable it has been to them and the doors that scouting has opened for each one of them. So I ask for your help today in getting out your checkbook or making a pledge to the Friends of Scouting Drive for the Ozark Trails Council. Thank you very much for your support of the Ozark Trails Council.